Hi guys, I'm going to be doing the sugar and butter challenge. I made this up myself, but it actually is a nice treat to have. But if you have too much of it, I do think it makes you feel a little sick. So I've got this with me today. This much. It's actually loads, but it doesn't really look much in the camera. So I'm actually going to try it. Here I go. That is one big massive spoonful, but you can't actually see it on the camera. Oh, I can't do this. Shall we only math? Okay. Very buttery. Should have put more sugar in it. So my lolly. What? So my lolly. Yeah, later. Let's have a bit after. What? Oh, I can't eat that. I can't eat that. That's disgusting. I can't eat that. Let's have a bit. Wait, have it. That's a spoon. Everyone, watch and learn. Watch and learn. So nice. Okay, I can do this. Hold that. I can actually do this. No, you guys, I think this tastes like really disgusting because I didn't put enough sugar in it. Last spoonful. Do you want this, Liam? Yeah. No, no. I think I've had too much today. It's going to make me fat. The rest of this lolly. Ah. Oh, gone. Liam, I need that. Take it out. 1 minute, guys. Right, one last spoonful. And like, subscribe, comment, goodbye. Bye.